Today I'm going to teach you how to video call on Fiverr. This is a great way to connect with clients or freelancers directly, making communication much smoother and more personal than just messaging back and forth. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in properly so you can access all your messages and contacts. Now, once you're signed in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a messages icon there. This is your gateway to all your conversations on Fiverr. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select See All in Inbox. This will take you to your main messaging hub where all your active conversations are stored. On the left panel of your inbox, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Browse through this list and click on the specific message thread or person you want to video call with. This could be a client you're working with, a freelancer you've hired, or anyone you're actively communicating with on the platform. Selecting their conversation will open up the full chat window on the right side of your screen. Now here's where the video calling feature comes in. Look down at the bottom left corner of the chat window. You'll notice a button that says Start a Zoom Call. Fiverr has integrated Zoom directly into their platform, which makes video calling incredibly convenient. Go ahead and click on that button. This will initiate a Zoom call with the person you're chatting with. Once you click it, Zoom will open up and the other person will receive a notification to join the call. Make sure your camera and microphone are set up properly before the call connects. This feature is perfect for discussing project details, conducting interviews, or just having a more personal conversation about work. And that's it. You've successfully started a video call on Fiverr. This integration makes it easy to take your professional conversations to the next level without ever leaving the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.